Hi guys, this is Donna here with Donna Coker's A Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and we are about to make Cinnamon Bun Paradise. So it smells like cinnamon in here already, so we're going to get started. We're going to go ahead and emulsify our oil a little bit. Make sure it's good and mixed up. Okay, let's add our lime water. Just careful not to splatter any on you. Very light trace, and I'm using cinnamon bun fragrance oil from Vocal Apothecary. Said that backwards. Alright, I think that will work out well. Everything off here. And we're going to divide this up, and I'm going to put it in something that's easier to pour from. A little speck of dust in there. I don't like specks of dust, and you can really see dust on this white plastic. He got a little bit more, but it's okay. I might even him out just a little bit there. Okay, so we are going to color one of these. Let's see, I want the darker one, the bigger one, with unsweetened 100% cocoa powder. And then I'm going to use a light brown mica in one, and I should have opened these before I put my gloves on. I do this every time. Come on, fella. I ordered the little shaker jars, but this is just some samples I had, so why not use them? And then one will get titanium dots. Alright, so I'm going to mix just a little bit with the spatula. And then we're going to take the blender and hit them just a tiny bit. I don't think I even needed to use that much mica in that one. It colored very well. Alright. Start over here with the light one. About the light containers is you can see if something's not mixed up. So I can see that I've got a couple things that are still some of that off of him, and moving on. Alright, so they are still not really thick, so we're going to go ahead and put the fragrance oil in all of them. Mix that up. See if we need to hit it with a blender again. I really don't want to because I don't want it to thicken any faster, even though it's still at a very workable stage. And that's when you soak near room temperature or, you know, somewhat warm but not hot, it seems to really help that. So, hey guys, sorry about that. My daughter-in-law called me on Messenger, and so it cut off. But anyway, we got everything ready. We're ready to do some piping, so we're going to go ahead and do that now. The piping is still a little bit warm, but I'm hoping that it won't fall. Because it was thickening up pretty good, so we shall see. Got some bigger piping bags because the shorter ones just seem to make such a mess. They won't go over the top of a cup very well to fill your piping bag. It's just, this larger one just seems to work much better. So we're gonna go with that. Boy, it smells like cinnamon buns in here. Delicious. I can't wait to cut the soap, I tell you. Especially with that in the pot, because that one darker color that I was using really came to trace fast, and I ended up mixing the rest of it in with this white just to give it, so it wouldn't be so stark white, so it would have just a little bit of a creamy color. I tried to get a little bit closer to the camera so you guys could see. And I'm going to try and change this setup. I really am. Just learning how to use the editor, and YouTube is, boy, that's something, isn't it? I don't know if this is more convenient on the countertop or on the table. You're kind of, you know, you're over what you're working on, and on the countertop you're kind of even with it, so it's kind of but I'll get it figured out. I went ahead and put all of the piping in the bag. I usually save a little out and just do maybe a little tray of embeds or something, just to have some extra embeds, but I'm not doing that this time because my husband gets off early tonight and we are going to have a little drinky poo. So I'm just trying to finish this youngster here and get it put down. Let's see, do I need to fill in anywhere? I know you guys are probably looking and saying, yep, you got some spots. And I know I probably do. And if I do have a little bit left in the bag, I will actually just squirt it into a little embed. I do think that looks pretty filled in. You could work on this forever. You literally could. You could just keep finding spots and keep it. It could be 5 feet tall and you still wouldn't be happy with it. But I'm basically just trying to make sure I use up all of my piping here. I could have made that one a little taller. And I know they're more expensive, but these disposable piping bags where you don't have any cleanup is just absolutely wonderful. And I know in the long run it's more expensive to do that, but it's wonderful. Okay, so on top of it, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit, well, if I can keep my hands on it, and I'm going to take my glove off so I can open this little pack better, of bronze mica. So to look like little cinnamon bits. Right. I think he looks pretty good. Yeah. All right, guys. This is Cinnamon Bun Paradise, and we are going to let him rest for about 24 hours, and then we're going to come back and cut him for you. I'm going to give him a little mist with some alcohol so we don't get any soda ash, hopefully, and I'll see you when it's time to cut this little baby. Hey guys, this is Donna Coker from Donna Coker's A Cherry Bloom Handmade Soaps, and we are cutting the Cinnamon Bun Paradise. So I cut a couple of bars and we're going to go ahead and finish cutting this soap. Very nice in the pot swirl there for the cinnamon bun. Smells really, really good. Really good scent from Bulk Apothecary. Colors came out really, really nice. Really, really nice patterns. Okay guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe, and if you hit the little bell button, you'll get a notification when we upload a new video, and hit the like button. Thanks. See you next time.